Hey guys, papunta na kami sa place kung saan manonood kami ng whales. And 1:45 yung meetup. So guys, samahan nyo kami. Sasama ko kayo doon. Actually, first time ko na really kung si Brendan is first time. Pero excited ako. Nantay ko na lang siya kasi kung hinahanap niya yung shades niya. Pero sobrang init. Grabe, napaka-init. As in, you know. Pero okay lang. Fresh pa na.
Big job getting everybody together.
Guys, naglalakad na kami papunta sa area saan kami sasakay. Sobrang init pero okay lang, lalaban tayo para sa whales. Na yung mga scuba divers. Divers na guys. Guys, sasaktan.
Hi guys, thank you. Thank you so much. All right. Bye.
Oh no, you're not going with?
Aloha.
Oh. No. You're not going with? Oh. Okay, well thank you.
You're watching this one? I guess. I'm so excited to see you. That's so funny. I love it.
So how are we going to play this game? Those of you guys on the non-whale side of the boat, stand up. Those of you on the whale side of the boat, please stay seated. That way it's kind of stadium seating. Everybody gets to see these awesome creatures. Move up to the front if you like.
So you guys like to notice when I'm using the boat like a clock to tell you where things are. I don't know if anyone remembers what a clock looks like, but if not, there is a setting on your Apple Watch that can serve as a reminder. It looks like a clock. The bow of the boat's going to be 12 always, then 3, 6, 9, everything in between.
And these are North Pacific humpback whales. That's what we're looking at. We're seeing a really big whale and a little tiny baby.
This is one of those special teacup whales. You can only get them from a breeder in Colorado.
And mom, pretty big girl. She is 45 feet long, somewhere around 90,000 pounds.
Oh my gosh.
That's it. Little baby, about the size of a Prius. Maybe a little bit bigger.
Here we go. Oh, you're coming this way.
So 14, say 13 to 15 feet long, anywhere from like 1,200 to 2,000 pounds.
Looks like it might be coming this way.
I lost it.
It's either going across our bow. So look for a bright turquoise color. Maybe a shadow shaped like a whale. That might be a whale.
That's a whale.
That's a whale.
That's a baby whale.
That's a baby whale. Still within my 100 yards, so until they pop up, I'm gonna chill. There they are.
Yeah. I would go maybe that side now. Go across their stern. Yeah, you're probably about 105 right here, 107. And it really helps break out that big spine. It's really look at the dorsal fins on that versus that little tiny guy. Pigmentation, that takes a little bit of time. What we really want to see is that dorsal fin.
Oh, look at that.
If the dorsal fin is still floppy, it's definitely underneath a week. When they're first born, the dorsal fin is almost folded completely over.
So we deal primarily.
Yay, Captain Sarah! We all just won the whale lottery. Mostly because we had to.
That is the Grand Slam whale.
This is how you catch a whale.
That mom or an escort?
That is.
I want to say that's mom right there next to baby. So the closest whale to baby is mom. It's an excellent question, sir. But baby definitely mimic the behavior. And mom will do it sometimes as like a, hey, let me show you how it's done.
High five. There you go.
Good energy only.
And yeah, this can take multiple trips to get this, especially that close. That is usually never a first 7 minutes of the whale watch. I mean, I don't know what we're going to do for the rest of the time, guys.
I don't know what else.
The expectations are.
It's all downhill from here.
Wow, can you share that? Oh, nice. Is there any purpose to them
I say until we speak whale and they speak human, we're not going to have all of the answers. But we know that exfoliation is probably one reason. Communication might be another. It really just depends. But the reason why we wanted to go to where they landed is because when you go to the landing pad of a breach, there's dead skin and parasites and barnacles in the water.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so for that it's exfoliation.
So actually 100% I would say, yes, there's a purpose.
Yeah.
But we know that purpose. Now,
She's got a wound.
Who knows anything about boat? There's a boat right between the tube and the seat. If I can have that up here just in case it's loose. Yeah.
I think it's wrapped.
I think it's wrapped also, but just in case.
So it's on mom, right?
Yeah, it's on mom.
Oh, man.
Call
Yeah,
me.
because it went down, so it's not there anymore.
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh. Thank you. It's good just to have this up here. Yeah.
You might be able to see the guys in action
Okay, so
too.
baby's over here. So mom's gonna be over there. So mom's generally never more than a body length away from her baby. In this situation though, I don't know. Lee's calling my phone.
Okay, I'm trying to call Lee, that's why. Yo, I was just trying to call you. So we're with it, it's with mom. Mom is actually trailing a line of
See if I can get it.
rope with floats on it. Mom is. So we're sticking with mom. Cap looks fine, but she's actually trailing it probably 20 feet behind her almost. 15 to 20 feet with floats. That's what I just saw when we came up to it. Sarah's got some underwater stuff, but we're... Get pictures of the back. Zoom into her back. You can see any line on the back. That would help.
I don't think I saw any line on the back. No, the black is clear.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen anything yet either. It does like male competition type of behavior. No. We pretty much call it when the sun goes down, which really sucks. Because you really don't want that to happen. But typically not.
Well, hello there.
Awesome! Okay, so yeah, it looks like light pectoral fin, medium down, right? If you saw that,
The wrap on the peg bit
that's what it looks like.
and about 20 feet trailing gear, 25.
She might have knocked some of the trailing gear off. She started doing big head slams. We thought we saw some in the water. I was trying to go over there and not lose her. But I wasn't seeing anything trailing anymore.
Kind of stationary or?
She's kind of, then she'll get up and start head slamming, and you can tell she's upset.
Like she'll rest for a while and then she'll go again.
We're gonna do our best over here. Thank you guys.
Awesome, thank you, Lee!
Thanks, guys.
There she goes. Yeah, she's slamming again.
Yes, thank you guys, you got the shot. Wait, what is that blood? And then the other guy that got the shot of there's stuff dangling off that whale. So thank you guys.
You guys are awesome. You guys saved the whale's
This would not be
life.
possible without that.
And technically too.
This might have been the striking white pectoral fins. Super white tail. Oh, slow.
I like the dramatic.
Alright, I'm driving again.
Chad's driving.
Come on, baby. Come on. Mom, come show us what a good job you did. Everybody cheer for Mom if she did, because they do this sometimes. It's a new thing. So I've been out here for a lot of years, and the mom would never let the baby even get this close to the boat. Now we're finding the babies coming over the boat, and Mom's like, look what I did. But that means moms are feeling safe around boats. They've had good experience with boats that they don't mind bringing the baby close. They're not worried about the baby getting harpooned.
Yes.
So it's pretty special because that was never, it's pushing it towards us. See, it's on Mom's nose. So Mom is bringing her baby over to us, guys. Yeah, 5 years ago, this never happened. So their behaviors are kind of changing. So good job, Mama. Yes, you did good. You made a wonderful little baby whale there. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Well, you can see, so Mom would always place herself between us and the baby. She's actually on the far side, and she lifted it up and kind of pushed it over here on her rostrum or her nose. Hey, baby, you can come closer. I think Mom will let you. I think Mommy will let you. Of course, they're going to swim right into the flare. For everybody with cameras. You might get a rainbow on it, though. I think the people in the front of the boat are going to get a little sun on your face.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. A little essence of whale. You got polarizers. I guess you can add them too, right?
Hi guys. Love it.
I would hope so, like, if we're getting more of this stuff that some whales know, like I said. I don't think that's happened yet for us, for anybody. Have you ever heard of a mom pushing a baby that had some sort of integrity there? I don't know if they trust us that much. The trust is definitely getting higher, but having a full association of human help. Well, I mean, that's what we're out doing right now, right? They're actually imprinting upon whales, hopefully the boats can help them.
Captain Ahab.
Grandma does, man. Grandma told the stories. Grandma, Grandpa. So, kind of crazy, guys, right? This species, I know, I'd say half the boat remembers the 80s. Even if they lived through it, they might not remember it. But Save the Whales, right? It was a big deal. A lot of that was about this group, the North Pacific Humpback group. We were down to about 1,000 to 1,500 whales left. So critically endangered, right? We did International Whaling Ban, all the Save the Whale t-shirts, set up National Humpback Whale Sanctuaries. We're now looking at a population of somewhere between 24 and 30,000. So we did pretty good, guys. The battle still goes on. But that means that there's, 1,000 whales. I should probably under 1,000 whales over 60 years.
Sun's up high in the blue sky, warm sand beneath my bare feet. Waves crashing, calling my name. Summer's here, feel the heat. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Laughter ringing in the air. Every turn a new surprise. Adventure everywhere. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sun-kissed days and starry nights. Memories in the making. Beach fun splash in the waves.
So guys, pauwi na kami. And sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Ilang oras din yun. So guys, akala ko malayo yung pupuntahan namin. Yung border. Yung pala, dito lang pala siya. So yung bahay, ayun doon lang. Ayan lang. Yun yung village. Dahil dito lang yung pinark yung car. Napakalapit lang pala. Sabi ko, sasakyan tayo. Kasi kanina, parang 3 minutes na lang. 1:45 kasi yung usapan. Sabi ko, sasakyan na lang tayo kasi baka malit pa tayo. Pero napakalapit lang. So, pauwi na kami, guys. And, yay! We made it!